Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the benefits of investing. Yes, investing is the easiest way to build wealth, and in today's video I'm going to give you reasons and benefits for you to start investing now. Please, this video is not promoting any investing site, investment. So if you see in the description below telling you to invest so and so, please, I'm not the one. Stay tuned, watch to the end of this video so you could learn the benefits of investing, so you could start investing now. You are young, you should start investing. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep the description below on how you can subscribe if you don't know how to subscribe. And please watch to the end of this video. This video is going to be very helpful to show you how you can start investing and the benefits of investing. Stay tuned. See, firstly, so why should you invest? Yes, since I'm telling you the benefit of investing. So investing is an effective way for you to grow your wealth. Yes, through smart investing you could build wealth in a potential future. Like, investing is like putting your money to work, or like supporting a business, or like putting it into like a trust fund so that they could grow your money. They could use your money to like do other businesses, and let me say the revenue generated, they will split it into the percentage of money you contributed to do the business. So now investing can help you grow your wealth excessively well, easy. And like let me say an important benefit of investing is the high returns. Yes, let me say if you save your money, like you won't get a high return. Let me say in savings there's no return because what you put in is what you get. But in investing you could get more money. Yes, that's why I say that investing has a higher return. And another good reason to invest is to stand against inflation. You know, presently now the world is facing what they call inflation. That is, let me say the price of things are increasing, thereby our money losing power and value. So now investing will help you overcome inflation. Yes, like our advice to always invest, and that's why I say you should invest. That's the benefit of investing. Why should you invest? Invest to help you, let me say, stand against inflation, and through smart investing you could build wealth. Yes, when I mean wealth, you should build cash. You can build a cash flow for yourself, like Warren Buffett. Like through investing, he don't work, do any work. Through investing, he has able to build a name for himself as the greatest investor of all time. Please stay tuned. Let's dive into the main part of this video. That is the benefit of investing. Stay tuned. The number one benefit of investing is you stay ahead of inflation. Yes, if you don't invest, your money will lose value, and the price of products will increase, all thanks to inflation. How does inflation have to relate to investing? Yes, if you're investing, let me say you're supporting a company producing goods. I remember the goods price increasing, and no how people must buy that goods, thereby there will be a return of your investment. So now let me say per annually earn 77% of your investment. So you're likely to stay, ahead of the inflation than people who are not investing. Thereby their wage rates and savings rates, money value will reduce, thereby keeping you ahead. Yes, this is how like rich men profit from inflation. So I believe you should start investing now so you could stay ahead of inflation and be among the 1%. Invest. Inflation investing are enemies. So if you invest now, you can stand against inflation, and those who don't invest are likely to not to stand against inflation. Yes, investing is very good, and you should start investing now. Things are still like okay. Another benefit of investing is that it helps you to build your wealth. Yes, there are like 101 ways of type of investment that could help you grow your wealth. Yes, since investment gives high return. Through compound investing you could grow your wealth. What is compound investing? Compound investing is simply investing the interest of your investment. Yes, through this you can grow your investment portfolio. Another benefit of investing is that investing can help you retire young. That is early retirement. In order for you to retire, you need to have money work for you. You need to have a lot of money with you. Yes, and as illustrated below, saving is not good due to the inflation that the world is experiencing right now. In every decade there is like 7% rate of inflation. So saving will be saving that money you gain from during the time of your work time for 3 decades will 14%, likely 14% decrease of the value of your money, and 14% increase of products and commodity. So investment will help stand against this inflation rate. I remember in investing, there's an interest. Investing your interest will help you grow your portfolio. Thereby, investing can help you retire young and retire with more money than saving. Yes, than saving. So please subscribe to my channel below, like this video if it was helpful to you, and let's head to number. And for the last, investing could help you meet your financial goals. Let me say, if you have a goal you want to achieve in 10 years, let me say I will require a lot of money, I will consider you investing. Yes, I would not just invest in compound invest. Let me say compound investing. That is like money you gain from that investment, you reinvest it. Money you gain, you reinvest it. Money you gain, you reinvest it. And you must not like invest it in, let me say, in that particular type of investment. You can also, let me say, go into real estate, other types of investment. Let me say, to like create a diverse investment. So like, how can investing help you meet up your financial goals? For example, let me say you want to launch a big company 10 years coming. Our advice now, with the money you have, which you know is not able to launch that company, you should invest that money somewhere. And then let me say that money will grow. Let me say in 9 years time, let me say you now withdraw, let me say you sell all your stock, sell all your share. Let me say the money you gain, let me say the money you get out from that investment will be more bigger. Like you start your own business or your company easier. Let me say even adding it to your own personal savings you have. And let me say another thing I want to say in this video, like, don't invest your emergency fund. Yes, I know that I'm saying the benefits of investing may lots young people to go and invest all their money, and I would advise you don't invest your emergency fund. The emergency fund should also be with you as you're investing. Let me say you should like invest the money extra money. Yeah, let me say you have no use for personally. That's also our advice to invest. And in conclusion, let me say investment will help you gain financial stability, grow your wealth, moving from stage 1 to stage 2. And please, this video is like not promoting any investment site or anything. Please, if you see anything like in the description below, not me that posted it. And remember my face, this is my face, I can't post any other thing again. Please stay tuned to the end of the video, watch it, subscribe to my channel. And if you have stayed to the end of this video, thank you for watching it. And please like this video if it was helpful to you. Comment any problem you have, I could get experts to help you out. Yep. And if you have any other problem, and I'm making a video like investing versus savings. Yes, invest versus savings. I want you to watch this video because it's going to be helpful for you, so I could like choose which one is best for you in the nearest future. Please stay tuned. See you in my next video.